Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up data analysis in Excel using an easy method. First, ensure your data is clean and well organized in distinct columns. This foundational step is crucial for accurate results. Next, transform your data into an Excel table by selecting Format as Table from the Home tab. This feature provides powerful tools for sorting, filtering, and managing your information efficiently. Remember to give your table a descriptive name for easy reference in future steps. Now let's unlock Excel's powerful analytical capabilities. Go to File, then Options, and enable the Data Analysis Tool Pack add-in. This provides a suite of statistical tools, including descriptive statistics, ANOVA, and regression analysis. You can find it under the Data tab. Simply select your input range, choose your desired analysis, and specify where you want the results to appear. It's a straightforward way to gain deep insights from your numbers. For quick and flexible data summarization, pivot tables are indispensable. Select any cell within your data table, then go to the Insert tab and choose Pivot Table. You can then drag and drop your fields into the four areas: rows, columns, values, and filters. This allows you to instantly reorganize and aggregate your data, revealing trends and patterns that might otherwise be hidden. It's a fantastic tool for exploring your information from multiple perspectives. Finally, to make your analysis truly impactful, visualize your findings. Select your summarized data, then go to the Insert tab and choose a suitable chart type, such as a bar chart for comparisons or a line chart for trends over time. Ensure your charts have clear titles, axis labels, and legends so your audience can easily understand the story your data tells. Effective visualization transforms raw numbers into compelling insights.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.